Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'd like to start by welcoming all of you to be with us today as we stand with our Sikh brothers and sisters and their families, as well as our community leaders, in acknowledging what's really important, and that's standing and bearing witness to the truth. And I think that's something they have always tried to strive to reach, the truth, and we stand with them. At this time, I'd like to present a proclamation from the city. Whereas Sikhism originated in the Punjab region of South Asia, and Sikhs have overcome massive suppression to create, over several periods, sovereign states in their homeland to demonstrate their desire and ability to rule in a just manner and ensuring dignity and prosperity for all, without regard for caste or creed. And whereas Sikhism is the fifth largest independent ethnic religion founded by Guru Nanak in 1469 in the Punjab region of South Asia, and over 700,000 are living in the United States. And whereas India has committed genocide against the Sikhs since 1984 in order to crush a lawful and legitimate freedom struggle, in response to which Sarbat Khalsa, the supreme temporal decision-making body of the Sikhs, resolved on January 26, 1986 to create a sovereign state in Indian-occupied Punjab as the only effective means of exercising the Sikh nation's right of self-determination, which led to the formal declaration of independence by its appointed Pathnik Committee on 29th of April, 1986. And whereas Sikhs in Punjab and across the world have since that historic declaration, which spoke of freedom, equality, and social justice to all, made great sacrifices to secure a resolution to the Indo-Sikh conflict according to that cherished national goal. And we salute the martyrs of our noble freedom struggle. And whereas with values nurtured by Sikh faith that include the freedom of religion, speech, and expression, we stand with those marginalized and oppressed people of the world who are also struggling for their independence and basic human rights. And whereas we applaud the international community's adoption of fundamental human rights as inalienable requirements of the world order, in particular the adoption by the United Nations of Article 1 of the 1966 Covenants on Human Rights, which give pride of place to the right of self-determination as the only guarantee of other human rights. Now therefore I, Mayor Peter Albert Nystrom, and Norwich City Council President Pro Tem Joseph DeLucia, on behalf of the Norwich City Council and the citizens of the City of Norwich, do hereby declare April 29, 2022 as Sikh Declaration of Independence Day, dated this 29th day of April 2022. It is signed by myself and our Pro Tem Joseph DeLucia. I want to congratulate you, let you know that we as a city stand with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Jindabad. 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 Bole so nihal.